I'm here on the Indian Valley Waterfall Trail. Do you hear that? What is that? A B5? A C4? Maybe a D8? Turns out it could be all of those, because it's water and wind. And neither air nor water is rigid enough to have an actual natural frequency. So when it vibrates at all of the frequencies. And when you vibrate at all the frequencies, you end up creating all of the notes, and we call that white noise. So, for the next couple days, you are going to be trying to describe the frequencies of your musical instruments. Remember, back when we started planning this, you made a table, and that table had all of the notes that you were going to be making, and then you had put in what frequencies and what wavelengths, and even the half wavelengths for the string length, and the quarter wavelength for the pipe length for the wind instrument. Now it's time to go back to that information, to reread the musical instrument descriptions that are posted on our website, and to write up how each of your instruments makes its notes. Remember to include how the vibration is started, how you propagate that vibration to make the correct note, that's where the wavelength and the frequency would come in, and how you've amplified the sound. That might be through some forced vibration, it might be through an intentional amplification device, like a sound box. Either way, make sure you include those three factors. Chimes will be a little bit trickier because chimes have to do with the natural frequency of the object. So for those, you could just detail out how long the chime is and what note it plays based on the frequency. Have fun! This will be the content and critical thinking part of our Build-A-Band project. So do the best job you can. I recognize that not everything will be able to be included because you don't actually have access to your instruments. So we'll call this your best rough draft that you can make. Try to complete everything as best you can, and enjoy!